Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my first time filming in about a week or so, and I feel a little weird and a little bit out of practice. But if you weren't aware, last week I did not post any new videos, and I also wasn't sharing any of my normal content on social media, and I did that along with a lot of other people to highlight the Black Lives Matter movement. I instead wanted to use my platform to amplify the voices of the Black community by sharing ways that we can help and how we can become better allies. If you guys fully do not understand the Black Lives Matter movement, I will go ahead and leave some links down below for you to go ahead and check out, as well as places that you can donate. However, if you are unable to donate at this time, I will also include a playlist that you can watch on YouTube where all the AdSense will be donated to the Black Lives Matter movement. With that being said, today's video is a haul, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple of products that I've picked up over the last couple of weeks. So let's get started. So the first place I placed an order at was Fenty Beauty, and one of the first things that was on my list was this handheld mirror, and it's super nice because you can just place your hand back here and do your makeup, so super useful. I also picked up this handheld mirror, again, super useful when I'm doing my makeup. And of course, I picked up the new bronzers and blushes. I picked up one bronzer, and this is in the shade Macchiato. And I picked up two blushes. This one is in Fuego Flush, and this one is in Petal Poppin'. So that's all I picked up at Fenty. The next place I placed an order at was Sephora, and I did pick up these two Pat McGrath palettes. If you guys don't know, Pat McGrath's palettes usually retail for like $100 a palette, so I decided to pick up these minis so I could go ahead and try out the formula. I did pick up this super colorful one, and then of course a neutral one. I also placed an order at Suva Beauty, and I picked up their hydro liners. So I picked up this one in Acid Trip, this one in Tracksuit, this one in Scrunchy, this one in Grape Soda, this one in Dance Party, and then I also picked up this Space Panda one and Grease. I did end up picking up the neon ones in a bundle, and in that bundle came one brush, and that is the 620 brush. So it is just a liner brush. And to go along with my order from Suva Beauty, I did end up placing an order at Morphe. So since I did pick up the white shade, I ended up getting this palette and spatula. I'm going to use this to go ahead and mix some of the hydro liners together and see kind of what I come up with. Obviously with the white one, I can go ahead and use it to mix in and make my neons a little bit more pastel, so super excited to try that out. I also ended up picking up a brush. The brush is also from Suva Beauty. This is the 610 brush, and this one is thinner than the 620. So super excited to use this. This is going to be super good for any detail work that I do. So super excited about that. And this actually came in the mail today. I picked up these makeup erasers. And if you guys don't know what these are, essentially you use these in place of makeup wipes. So I definitely have been trying to be a little bit more sustainable and using, less products that you just throw out. So essentially what you do is you just wet this little thing and you use it to remove your makeup. I sometimes, if I have a fuller face of makeup, I do go in with an oil and then I'll use this right on top, but this really does, help with taking off your makeup. So definitely, again, this would be like in place of a makeup wipe. And it did come with a little baggie, so you can go ahead and throw it in the wash. So super useful. I also ended up picking up this Lash Blowout Mascara from IT Cosmetics. So this was thanks to my mom. My brother ended up placing an order at IT Cosmetics for my mom. She needed some serum, and this came as a free gift, so she let me keep it. So super excited to try this out. So the last thing I want to share with you guys was my Influenster box. So I did end up getting the CoverGirl box. So in that box came the Lash Blast Primer. I also got the Lash Blast Volume Mascara. And then I ended up getting this Lash Blast Lash and Brow Serum. So I'm super excited to try out this serum. But yeah, that is it for my haul today, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys in the next one.